Hi, welcome guys. In this video, we are discussing MPS 006 of 1D. And before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of solutions of any course or any type of subject. So you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900-936-8238. And you can contact on this number and you can refer to your friends on this number also. And here we are discussing question number D is here for a given Lagrangian L. If the coordinate q is cyclic, then the system has translational symmetry under the transformation q. Show that the momentum conjugate to q is conserved. So here, this is the 5 number question, and we have prepared the answer according to the word limit. So if you need answers of all the questions, so contact us without any hesitation. We will provide all the solutions in a PDF within a day. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.